피아노를 치고 있는 FBI 요원이었습니다.
Your vodka, sir.
Thanks. 보드카를 주문했나 본데요.
You look preoccupied, if you don't mind my saying so. Problems with the investigation?
Blake is convinced that Mars is the killer.
Not you. I thought there was some evidence to that effect.
That's true. But it just doesn't make sense. His psychological profile doesn't fit. Neither does the geolocalization. I can't see this father drowning 8 victims before kidnapping his own kid. Mars is not the origami killer. I'd stake my life on it.
Then who is?
I haven't the faintest fucking idea.
Maybe you should review the evidence in your possession.
That's just what I was thinking of doing.
Oh, one last thing, sir. You should be careful not to overindulge in you-know-what. It can be dangerous. Very dangerous.
I'm trying to keep a handle on it, but it's difficult. It gets more and more difficult.
It'll end up killing you if you're not careful. That would be most unfortunate, sir.
뭔가 본인의 또 상상에 빠진 것 같네요.
Well, looks like there's something new. The video recording from near the park on the afternoon showing Mars disappeared. I doubt there's anything on it, but you never know. $1,583 vehicles identified. That's not gonna help me find the killer's car. Maybe if I cross-check it against another clue. A common species. That doesn't help much. No prints or specific clues. Nothing much to go on.
자, 일단 꽃이랑 종이접기 관련돼서는 단서가 특별한 게 나오지 않았습니다. 그리고 타이어 자국 관련된 건데.
The killer's car is probably a Chevrolet Malibu 83.
10월에 말리부 83. 그렇다면 지리역 분석으로 볼까요? 아, 데이터가 없네요. 그러면은 10월에 말리부라는 차량이 다니는 곳에 대한 지리학 분석을 확인해 봐야겠네요. 여기도 데이터 없어요. 그러면은 이 차를 활용을 하는 사람이 범인이 아니라는 얘기 같거든요.
Just one origami store in town. The orchid is a common species. It can be found at any flower shop.
나는 흔하고 종이접기는 한 곳밖에 없다. 이거는 전에도 봤기 때문에 딱히 내용이 없네요.
Clue. Anything. Oh, I'm sure it's staring me in the face. Perhaps, sir, you should have another look at your clues. Perhaps, sir, you should have another look at your clues. Not much time left. Gotta find something fast if I want to save the kid.
단서들을 다시 한번 확인을 해봐야 된단 말이에요.
Perhaps, sir, you should have another look at your clues.
그러면 좀 전에 봤던 파일들을 다시 한번 확인해 봐야 될 것 같네요.
There is always a railroad line adjacent to where the bodies are found. And all the victims disappeared in the fall. The killer is white, aged between 30 and 45. He is intelligent, calm, and determined. An organized type. He has a car. He's probably employed, but his work allows him free time. A Chevrolet model corresponding to the tire prints passed at 1602 heading for the park, when in the opposite direction at 1637. That could fit the time that Sean Mars disappeared. Could it be the killer's car?
자동차에 대한 단서 내용도
Pity we
나왔네요.
can't see the driver's face.
여기 일대는 차를 이용해서 통행한 흔적이 없네요.
The car was stolen. Let's see. A certain Jackson Neville was suspected of stealing it, but the charges were dropped. Not enough evidence.
잭슨 네빌.
Jackson Neville, aka Mad Jack, involved in several cases of buying and selling stolen vehicles. Considered to be very dangerous. This guy might have provided the killer with a car. It's a pretty slim lead, but it's all I have right now. My gut feeling is that Mars is innocent, and I gotta get him out of here. I gotta find some way to get Ethan Mars out of here. Even if there's only a 1 in 1,000 chance he's telling the truth, he may still be able to save his son. No, I can't just stand by and watch. I'm gonna help Mars get out of here. He may be guilty. He's acting odd, his statements are all confused, and heck, he never said he wasn't the origami killer. It's none of my business. If Perry and Blake think Mars is the killer, what can I do about it? I should consult my superiors. Maybe... No, that's stupid. I gotta handle this on my own. I just don't believe he's guilty. Nothing about him matches the killer's profile.
Did Mars confess? No, not yet. He lost consciousness. We'll give him a break and then we'll get back to him. He must
That
be tougher than
shithead
I
Perry
thought.
doesn't give a damn if Blake beats up a witness or if
Tougher
Mars
not,
is
no
innocent.
crack.
All he wants is to be able to
They all
tell the
do.
press they've arrested the
In any
origami killer.
case, congratulations, Lieutenant. You've done a fine job. I've called a press conference. Gonna kick off in 1 hour. I expect it'll be quite an event.
Don't you want to wait until we actually got his confession?
No point. We've got him dead to rights. That's all the press wants to know.
뭔가 상호작용 같은 게 안 되는데요.
Ethan Mars is innocent. He truly believes that he alone can save Sean. What if he's right? I'll play those odds. I've got to get him out of here.
기자회견을 한다고 했죠. 회견실장으로 가야 되나? 여기 있네요. 아, 아닌데. 얼굴이 다른데요. 그럼 좀 전에 여기가 취조실이었나? 뒤쪽으로 가봐야겠네요. 어,
Leave us alone.
Lieutenant Blake said to...
Please, leave us alone.
Right, I'll be at the door if you need anything.
Christ. Are you all right, Ethan?
네, 일단 에단을
I gotta get out of here.
세웁니다.
I've got to save my son.
I'll see what I can do. Should be able to get him out of here without being noticed. Shit! What am I doing? Helping a suspect to escape? That'll cost me my badge and earn me a 10-year stretch. I'm gonna find a way to get you out of here, Ethan. Stay put. I'll be back. Gary, you can take a break. I'll keep an eye on him.
You sure? Actually, I was busting for a piss. If you need to adjust his handcuffs, the keys are on my desk.
First, get rid of the cuffs.
다시
Ethan, put this on. You might be able to get by them without being noticed. Oh shit, the handcuffs. I forgot about that. Okay, hold tight.
테이블에 수갑이 있다고 그랬는데 아 테이블에 수갑이 있는 게 아니라 수갑에 열쇠가 테이블에 있다.
That's it. You're free. Here, put this on. They're having a break. If you're quick, you'll be able to slip out without being noticed. Head straight to the exit. Don't stop, don't talk, don't even think. Just walk.
I don't know what to say.
Just say you're gonna save your son. I hope I won't regret that.
자 결국에는 FBI 요원이 에단을 풀어줍니다.